Check this out, guys. So far I was able to make over $400 using this method, and it took me like what, 10 minutes to set up. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up this exact method that's making me over $400 a day without selling anything. Not even you don't have to sell anything for this to work. You don't have to show your face on the camera. You don't have to create any content whatsoever. And the best part is this is so beginner friendly that if you know what to do exactly, this takes just around 10 minutes to set up. So make sure to watch this video till through the end. Follow carefully all the steps that I'm going to show you, and if something isn't clear or you have trouble understanding a certain step, do let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to help you out fixing it. Oh, and while you're there, please hit the like button to help me out with the YouTube algorithm, and also to stay tuned for more money-making content, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so as soon as I release a brand new money-making video, you will be one of the first to watch it right away. And with all that being said, let's jump right into the method. So first thing, head over to cpagrip.com. This is a CPA marketplace. Although it's true we're not going to be doing any selling in this video, we need some way to make money with. For that, we're going to be using CPA marketing. What that basically means is every time somebody completes a small action on the internet, for example like filling out certain fields or clicking a certain captcha, you will get paid small amount of money. But because these actions are so simple to perform, many people can do them and all the earnings can stack up nicely. So what you want to do first is go to CPA Grip. If you don't have an account yet, if you're a complete beginner, just click on this register button right here. You will be taken to this form. Now CPA Grip is one of the best CPA marketplace for beginners because it doesn't require any approval process. All you need to do to start up is just filling out a couple of these fields with your personal information, and what you need to do on this right side here is select publisher type, and you want to select either GPT or website/insent. Don't go for email or others because that may require some additional information for your account to be set up, but if you select website/insent or GPT, your account will be created immediately. Then just go ahead and finish filling out all these fields, and if you do that, just go down here and click on register now and you will get your free account. Once you complete registration, just log into your account, and the first thing you want to do after you log in is just go to the offer tools right here and click on my offers. And right here you can see all the offers that are up for promotion. In this case, in United States, you can filter this by country, and in today's method we're going to be doing this for United States. So just go ahead and select United States, and you can see all these offers are available in United States, and all of these offers pay around $2 for each completion. And as you can see, these offers are email/zip submit. What this basically means that if somebody is going to visit this page that we are going to promote in a moment, all they need to do is just fill in their email address for a chance to win a, for example in this case, a 1-year supply of Coca-Cola, and for every one of these submits you're going to get paid $2.06 in this case. That's why these CPA offers are very beginner friendly, because if you do this the right way, for example the way I'm going to show you in today's video, besides others, you can get paid $2 for every time somebody uses their email to sign up for a chance to win something for free. And as you may have noticed, people like getting things for free, and if it just takes their email address to sign up somewhere, they are going to do it. So what you want to do to make sure this is going to work, you need to select filter by United States and just grab 3 offers from this. And I'm going to show you which 3 offers to grab to make this method the most profitable. First is this Coca-Cola offer that I was showing you earlier. What you want to do is just click on copy link and then just paste it into a notepad or somewhere where you will be able to access it later. The next offer we want to grab is this $750 PayPal gift card. So just go ahead and copy this link as well and paste it into the notepad. Okay, and now we need one more, and the one I highly recommend using is this $200 Nike gift card. Just open that up and copy and paste the link as well, just like that. And as you may have noticed, all of these offers that we have just copied are email submit, and they are offering a chance to win some gift card or something for free. For example, if somebody submits their email address to this right here, they get a chance to win $200 Nike gift card. The first one was a chance to win a year's supply of Coca-Cola and a fridge, and the other one was a chance to win $750 on PayPal as well. You may notice that each of these offers that we have grabbed follow a certain theme, and that's a chance to win a huge amount of money. And there's a reason for that actually, because these offers tend to be the easiest to complete. If somebody is going to submit their email address to a website for a chance to win $750, there's literally nothing stopping them from doing it, and that's exactly what we want to make money. Next, we need a way to promote these offers, and one of the best ways that I have discovered so far is using something called webflow.com. This is a simple website design creator which is completely free. All you need to do is just click on get started here, sign sign up with your Google account, or you can use any other email that you may want, but I highly recommend using Gmail for this. And then once you complete the registration process, just simply sign into the website, and once you log into your account, you will be given a chance to complete a small tutorial how this website functions. You may go ahead and follow that if you want to learn basics of this website, or you can skip that right away and follow exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So once you log into your account, just click on create a new site right here, and you get all these pre-made templates, these high quality pre-made templates that you can use to create any site that you want. Some of them are free, as you can see, but some of them are paid. But in today's method, we are not going to be spending any money on these templates. So just scroll down here, and in this free template section, click on view all, and now just select one that you may want to use. We are going to be customizing it a bit, so pick one that you want to work with. For example, I will go with this one, this time to show you how this works. So just click on use for free right here, and now you can start editing the site. So just name it something to do with the theme, for example 3 gift cards giveaway, then click on create a site, and this is how the template is going to look. As you can see, there's way too many elements in here that we may not want to use, so just scroll all the way down and start deleting. For example, if you want to get rid of this section, just select it, press delete, and it will disappear. So same with this section, same with this one, select delete, same with this one, select delete. This section you want to keep, these 1, 2, 3 images you want to keep, because this is the part we are actually going to be using. But you may want to get rid of this tab section as well, because there will not be any menu on our site. Then just go ahead and change this title right here to something like win a chance to win 3 gift cards. Please pick an offer that you want to apply for. You can go ahead and customize it a little bit nicer, and for the sake of not making this video too long and boring, I'm just going to give you the basic layout. But once you're going to be doing this method, actually go ahead and take a time to make this nicer and more appealing, because the more appealing the site, the more probable the completions are going to be. Then just move down here to this section right here, and what you want to do is get rid of this one, and this title you want to rewrite into something like, now for these 3 images we need to replace them with something that is actually to do with the gift cards. For that, go back to CPA Grip, open each of these offers that you have chosen, and you can see that there's this picture right here. That's exactly what we are looking for. Just right click on this image and save it to your computer, and then do the same with the others as well. Just save them to your computer one by one, and then just replace these templates with the images you have downloaded. To do that, just simply select the image, press the delete button. Now just go up to this top left section, click on the plus button, scroll a bit down, and you want to select for media and image. Just place it above the text, and it will give you this small pop-up menu. Just click on choose image and upload the image you have downloaded from CPA Grip. Now just go ahead and do this for the rest of these images as well. Once you do that, just go ahead and select this text right here. We need to rewrite it to do with something with the gift card. For example, this one is the $750 PayPal gift card. So I'm going to write in there, enter for a chance to win $750 PayPal gift card, something like that. Okay, for this one, write something like this, enter for a chance to win 1 year supply of Coca-Cola and a fridge. And for the last one, enter for a chance to win $200 Nike gift card, something like this. Okay, now what you need to do is go to the plus button again and find a button. Place a button below this text, and you can see right here that the button has a URL redirection option. What you want to do here is just grab the link that you have copied from CPA Grip. For example, this is the PayPal one. I'm going to copy PayPal link, paste it right here, and in this button text I'm going to write claim here, or you want to put a call to action there, for example click here to win or apply here or something like that. I'm going to use claim here because it has worked for me very well in the past. Now actually you want to move this button so it's more in the middle. To do that, just go to this section right here, and you want to play with these sliders. Now to center the button, you just want to select it, go to this right section, and this outside slider you want to drag it and position the button so it looks like it's in the middle. Now just go ahead and do the same for these 2 images as well. Go to plus, select button, copy the URL, paste it right here, rename the button, make sure to position the button in the center. And once you finish that, just go to this top section right here, click on publish, make sure you keep this domain selected because that one's for free, and just click on publish to selected domains. After a couple of seconds, it's going to get published, and if you want to view the site, just click on this arrow right here and it will take you to this published site. Now you can see this is a simple landing page you have created completely for free that has these 3 gift cards, chance to win a gift card for PayPal, for Coca-Cola, and for Nike. Now once somebody visits this site, all they will see is these 3 gift cards right here, and actually even if the title says pick a gift card that you want to visit, naturally they will apply for all 3 because you've got very different offers. You've got PayPal, you've got Coke, and you've got Nike. And once somebody does that, actually each of these offers, if you go to CPA Grip, each of these offers you can see pays $2. Here's the Coca-Cola $2.06, Here's the PayPal, $2.05, and the Nike one also pays $2.06. So what that basically means, when somebody completes all of these 3 offers, you're going to get paid $6 and some small change for literally just setting up this site and driving traffic to it. Now, to actually drive the relevant traffic to this site, because as you can see, all these offers are only viable for United States, so you need traffic from United States only to be able to apply for these offers and for you to make money. Now, to do that with the best possible results, I use this website right here that's called Roller Ads. Just go to rollerads.com, sign up for your account, and once you log into your account, what you want to do is go to this section and select new campaign. I'm going to show you step by step how to set up an actual advertising campaign that's going to drive relevant traffic from United States to your site. So to use the exact setup that I have used for my campaign, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. First of all, you want to select push format right here. In the bid model, you want to select Smart CPC. The campaign name, you can use the same thing that you have used to name the website. So in this case, it was 3 gift cards giveaway. In this target URL section, you want to go ahead and copy the URL of this site that we have created. Just copy the URL, paste it right here. That's all you need to do here. And in this creative section, you see you've got an icon and an image. What you want to do is actually just upload the same images that you have used for your gift cards right here. So just don't delete these images after you use them for your website. What you want to do is just select, for example, icon first. Let's go with Coca-Cola for the first one. Select the most relevant part of the image. Click on crop. Same for this image section. This one you can stretch all across this image however large you want it. Select the most relevant part. Click on crop image. And you want to write in title and description. For the title, go with enter for a chance to win 1 year supply of Coca-Cola. And for the description, write the same thing as well. Now what you want to actually do, you can see this is how it's going to look like, and you want to do the same thing for the Nike and the PayPal ad as well. Just click on add a creative right here. You get this new panel and do the same thing. Upload the images, crop them, write the title according to the image, and the same one for the PayPal one as well. Once you do that, scroll down here to this section and you want to select countries, just United States. Just type in United States and select just this one country, because these offers are relevant only in the US, so you don't want to be promoting them in any other country. Then once you do that, scroll all the way down here, and in this bid section, what you want to do is just type in, for example, 10 cents, and you can see for 10 cents you can get 50,000, over 50,000 clicks to your website. This may be a little discouraging for beginners, but actually if you look at the numbers, you'll get 50,000 clicks to your website, and each of these offers pays $2. For just 10 cents, you'll get 50,000 visits to this site, and even if a single person decides to complete one of these offers, you're still going to make $1.94. But why this method is so powerful is because we have 3 gift cards right here. If somebody decides to apply for all of these, you're going to make $6 for every single person that decides to do that. So 50,000 visits to your site for just 10 cents, that is so negligible that you can just spend 10 cents on this and you're going to get your money back almost guaranteed. So just decide how many clicks you want for your site, add in the bid accordingly, and that's pretty much all you need to do. You can just scroll down ahead, skip all these steps right here, and down here you can see you have to agree that your campaign meets the quality guidelines. But if you have followed this video thoroughly by now, followed all the steps that I showed you exactly, you can make sure that your campaign meets these guidelines. So just go ahead and click on this checkbox right here, and all you need to do is just start the campaign. Then once you start your campaign, all you need to do now is just wait, because you're going to start getting traffic to the site that you have created. People are going to start applying for these offers, and because each of these pays $2, so somebody's going to complete all 3 of these, you're going to pay $6 for every such a person. Now you can just relax and wait for all those money to start coming in. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is how simple it is to start making money with CPA marketing. So now just go ahead, put this method to action, and after you make some money with it, make sure to return to this video and do let me know down in the comments how much money you have made using this. And also, if you enjoyed this method, make sure to hit the like button on this video. And if you want to see yet another cool money making method, try checking out, for example, this one that's going to show you how to make money using AI, or this one right here that's something completely different. Other than that, have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.